This is tapping into your creativity, regardless of what your career is going to be.
It's been a passion of mine, and I feel like I've really exceeded with these past couple of years in art.
For this portrait, we're going to kind of turn the idea on its head. We meet once a week, and the class is about 45 minutes long. And it's all on Zoom. Every week, we create a new project. We do a little bit of interacting in class, such as games and discussions.
It's really inspired me for my future career. I want to be a video game character designer or a graphic designer.
For Art 1, it's a basic class. I don't want anyone to feel intimidated. When they come in, we're talking about the elements of art. We're talking about the principles of design. Once we get to Art 2, you get a little more time on each project. We identify what their style is as an artist. And then Art 3 is even more creative freedom. It's more time on each project. Each student is going to choose a theme for the year, and their artwork is going to be centered around that theme. We have an art show in Oklahoma City. It's in person.
I got to show my art in front of a lot of people.
The students get to mingle and get ideas and be inspired.
Whether it's going to be a career for you or not, it's a great hobby. I've really found my passion.